Welcome friends. In this video I am going to do technical analysis of Curve token, and I am definitely going to tell you my next long duration targets, my next medium duration targets, and my next immediate short term targets for this token. So please watch this video complete, and please subscribe my YouTube channel and join my Telegram channel for more informative content and very useful information. Links are in this video's description. This is the token of decentralized finance DeFi token, and it is currently trading at $2.46 and it increased 10.4% in just 24 hours. I am making this video because this token has a huge potential, and definitely it can give you 20x, 30x, maybe 50x in near future. That is why I am making this video, and this is a good token. And current rank of this token is 95, and this is the website of this token. Just click on this and it will lead you to the website. This is the website. Swap using all Curve pools. You can swap any of your currency, any of your tokens, and can get reward from this. And that is why this token has very bright future. And let me please show you some statistics. This is the market cap of this token. This is the 24-hour low and 24-hour high price of this token. This is the 24-hour trading volume of this token. This is the circulating supply of this token. This is the maximum supply of this token. And here you can see market cap dominance rate is 0.04 and volume on the market is 0.92, and 24-hour high and low prices there you can check. 7 days low and high prices you can check easily. All-time high was at August 14, 2020, and it was $54 near 7 months ago. And all-time low was November 5, 2020, and it gives 640% to its holders. And you can trade this token on Binance, or you can buy this token on Binance Exchange, Huobi Global, OCS, MXC, and some other exchanges. And if you want to buy this token at your own risk, then you can go to in this video's description. You have to go to in this video's description, and where you can find this link of Binance Exchange. Just click on this link and create your account within 30 seconds. I think it will take only 30 seconds to create new account. And after that you can buy or trade at your own risk. And if you want to join Binance Exchange, then click on this link and create your account, and get $200 bonus after depositing some money. And let me please show you some statistics and some other information. What is CRV? CRV is the governance token for Curve Finance. It implemented a complex time-based staking system to exchange CRV into VCRV, where VCRV is an internal token intended for governance purpose and has a right to claim the cash flows generated by the protocol. 1 CRV locked for 4 years is equal to 1 VCRV. If you lock your 1 CRV token, they will give you 1 VCRV token. And if you lock this CRV token for 4 years, these are some information. You can check this, and let me please show you the chart. Let's get into it, and let me tell you my next targets of this token. This is the CRV Tether US Binance chart, and here you can see it is currently trading at $2.44 and currently trying to break this resistance zone, which was previously a support zone, and this is the upper trend line. And once it breaks this upper trend line, our next target will be $3.65, but we have to wait for this. Let me please tell you my immediate short-term target. And before this, we have to check the EMA ribbon. EMA ribbon is currently at $2.2, and it is currently like a support for this token CRV, and it is a good sign. Definitely it will go up and it will break this resistance, and definitely it is going to hit $3.65 very soon. And let me please tell you my first target. Once CRV break this horizontal resistance with 6-hour candle closing, or with 4-hour 2 or 3 candle closing, then definitely it will going to hit 3.3 and maybe $3.65 very soon. This is the first target. And let me please show you some support zones and resistances of this token right now, and let me please arrange this chart. I convert this chart into day candles, and here you can see how much you can gain, how much you can gain from this token. The all-time high of this token on Binance chart is $23.2, and now it is just only $2.43. You can say it, you can get very sorry for that, you can get many profit, and let me please show you how much profit you can get from if it break its all-time high. Then easily you can get 800% profit once it hit this zone, and I think this token has huge potential, and I think it have to hit all-time high after within this year or within next year. Then it have to hit this. Let me please show you my realistic targets. Let me please arrange this chart. Friends, please keep supporting me, and please join my Telegram channel. And for regular updated content, I upload regular update content on Telegram. Here you can see this token is at the bottom, and if we buy this token from that price $2.43, then let me please show you our next targets and our risk. I am making this video because I think this token has a huge potential, and now it is very available in very low price. That is why I think when the bull run starts, definitely this will break all records and will give you maximum gain. You have to put your stop loss at that moment. Let me please arrange the chart. If you buy this token from that point, you have to put your stop loss at $1.28 or maybe something below $1.17. You have to put your stop loss at 1.71, and after that our first target will be this zone and will give us 171% when it hits $5.6, and the risk is 44%, and our first reward will be 171. Then our next target will be this zone, and it should have to hit $11.2, and it should have to give us 433%, I think, within 3 months or 4 months, I think. Let me arrange this chart. I think this is the zone. I think this is the main target, $37. Maybe within one year or maybe within 1.5 year, it have to hit this target, $37. This is my last target for this token, but for this you have to wait. Maybe it will hit this within 2021, or maybe it will hit this in 2022, but it should have to hit this and should have to give you maximum gain. And according to the Fibonacci, it should have to hit this zone and will have to hit $97, and it have to give you 4,500%, but it is not very realistic. The realistic target is, I think, $30 to $37. This is very realistic target, and it is achievable within 1 year and 1.5 year. I think this token can achieve this target. And friends, if you want any coins technical analysis and any coin technical analysis video, then please comment your coin in this video's description, and let me know what are your thoughts on CRV. And I think this token will give you maximum gain. I think so, because this is available in very cheap price and the all-time high is very far away right now, and in this bull run it should have to move upside. Then that is why I am saying that definitely according to the Fibonacci levels, it should have to hit these levels and these targets, which I am telling you in this video. Thanks for the watching, friends. Keep supporting me. Thanks for the watching.